Ngayon guys, magluluto tayo ng lumpiang taugi ngayon guys, vegetables. Yan guys, o ingredients. Taugi, sibuyas, bawang, carrots, bell pepper, beans. Saka yung sahog ko guys is instead of beef lang yan guys kasi may kami sa bahay, bisita, Muslim. Tapos, yung spring roll pastry doll, yung lumpia wrapper to guys. See you guys. Fresh and tasty. Fresh and tasty yung niluto ko guys na sahog ng vegetable lumpia guys, yung togi. Ingredients yan guys. Beef giniling, bell pepper, carrots, sibuyas, bawang, beans. See you guys, ikarap pa yan.